Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're looking for a pair of women's winter boots, you're gonna love these from Free Soldier. I really love these boots. They're really beautiful, but even more importantly to me, they're functional. So I've been able to take them through the mud, taking my dog to the dog park, or in the snow, and thankfully they're really easy to keep clean. I was worried with all the salt that's on the roads that they were gonna get damaged, but with just a damp cloth, I was able to wipe them clean. A seemingly small detail that I really appreciate is the little loop on the back, which makes these boots super easy to pull on with just one finger. And that's really important when you're struggling with so many winter layers. Your feet stay nice and toasty in these boots thanks to the 3M Thinsulate. And I love the knit detail on the top. So if you're looking for a beautiful functional women's winter boot, I really love these. I think you will too. And that is my point of view.